What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We're back with another trade recap. Unfortunately, yesterday I missed yesterday trade recap. My camera's like way too. Come down a little bit. All right, there you guys are. Missed yesterday's trade recap. I had two streams. We streamed over on Twitch for FOMC, so I got busy. And then I went to the gym, and then on my way back from the gym, I stopped at a store. Somebody crashed into my car, the Ferrari, so I had to. It was a crazy day. Then I had a meeting later on the day, and I was not able to do it. It was not like a crazy day. It's FOMC. We'll go over the levels like today, but it wasn't too crazy. I had two small losses and then medium-sized win. Pretty much essentially break-even day until FOMC. And then FOMC I made a little bit of money. My hair looks crazy. But, again, price cleaned up today. And we hit a really nice winner, as you can see here. Forgot to take it on the paper account for the futures execution, but this is all, of course, ultra live executed, timestamped in our Discord, where you can join if you're interested. If you want to catch these trades with me, if you're like, yo, I want to follow this live and see if it's shit's real, code 39, that's the number 39 at checkout, $39 in the first month. The admissions for Discord will close this weekend, so you better hurry up. Now, let's get into the video. We had FOMC yesterday. FOMC was we wanted it was a 0.50 rate hike, which is at least short term bullish for the market. And if you go look at Sunday's video, the recap, what did we want for the market? We wanted NQ to get up to this weekly fair value gap here to fill, as well as hit all-time high. Today we got hit all-time highs here, and our long was from the bottom nearly all the all-time highs, and it hit full TP. Right, so knowing that we're overall bullish, we get a big move up, right? During Asia, in London, we got a big move up on both NQ and yes. And now market opened up, and we got a small dip off the open, a decent little dip. I told the people, I was like, from 9:30 to 10, right? This was all trail live. We're gonna get some take profit. So everybody that swung along, including myself yesterday, I swung along end of the day, taking profits. We're going to retest this high. What is that high? It's the FOMC news high, the 2 p.m. high when the interest rate hike decisions come out. And then look for a long. That's exactly what we got. I even drew this exactly like that. In the pre-market in our group, because we do, we go over the levels. So then I just looked for price to close above this line, this yellow line, and give us an entry on the 15 minutes. I wait for the 15 minute to wick under and close back above. Now in the 1 minute, looked for an entry, and my entry was this inversion for value gap on the 1 minute time frame. Because inversion for value gaps are gonna clap you. Inversion for value gaps are only gonna work if they're delivered from some larger idea. You cannot use the 1 minute time frames if it's not coming from a larger idea. It's just whenever you need to rush into an entry, right? As you can see, this first one here, move down into the level, move back up, rejected, right? Why? It did not inverse anything. So that's why you wait for your confirmation. If we look at also in Q, we're looking for bullish divergence around those levels. So look at this. 951 candle was the low right there, right here. 951 candle the low on yes, all the way down to past the 4:30 a.m. lows, while in Q was holding it up, so giving us a larger time frame. I think the divergence came from the 15 minute. Trying to find the bullish divergence I was looking at. Sometimes I forget too what the fuck I'm looking at. And as well as this, this is the 2 p.m. candle on NQ, much above it. So, right here. Look at this. Also, guys, relatively equal lows on NQ. Right? Yes was all the way down here, relatively equal lows. Close back up above it. I liked yes because it lined up with the FOMC candle as well. And it gave me a confirmation, but NQ was there to take it, so people took NQ. I'm still holding a small long because I do think that NQ is going to go higher today weekly fair value gap, a few hundred more points, and then we're gonna then maybe we'll talk about sell off. Sorry, one last level I was looking at, I would have taken in Q if it came down to these equal highs. So remember the magical equal highs that we kept missing. Let me move this a little bit. If price had come down and retested that, I would have been more comfortable taking in Q, but because it didn't, and yes, retested the 2 p.m. candle, that's why I decided to go with that one. Getting 0.50 rate hikes, pretty bullish, at least the short term for a market, and seeing a lot of people comparing this like to an 8 and 7, all this shit. Hey, markets go up, and look at this, you survived another remember the market crash? It was mid-August, in beginning of August, wherever it was. Look, we're back to all-time highs, and we were getting a pretty crazy divergence with the Nasdaq and the S&P. So we'll say the market may not be out of the clear, but I'm not planning to like look for any shorts until we get up here. Until we get up there, that weekly fair value gap to 20,400. It's just like a long and chill moment. Also tomorrow, I believe tomorrow is OPEC. It's for sure quite bitching, maybe OPEC. If it is, please don't trade. Like, just listen to me. Do not trade. OPEC sucks. And real quick, I share a lot of my charts and ideas on Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, make sure you go and follow the Twitter. Just plug that in right there. And as well as a lot of you guys are asking for mentorship, we're going to run a small group mentorship starting October 15th. It's going to be 4 weeks classes every single day except Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be myself, Don, our head trader, and more trades. And it's going to be a great masterclass. We ran one before, and it's been like 80% success rate. 20 people joined, about 15 to 16 of them have been profitable within just 4 weeks. So we're running it back, and the man has been insane. It's going to be limited. We wanted to keep it small, because as you keep it small, we can give everybody the attention they need to become profitable. If you're interested in that, try to leave a link down below if I remember. If not, just leave a like, subscribe, because I'm putting out a ton of content. I'm going to try to put out some videos over the weekend. And as always, guys, if I sound a little bit down lately, it's like I got this, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see this? Guys, I don't know if you guys can see this. So I don't know if you can see it back there. I got, so right here. See that? So I do Invisalign, and there's one tooth that needs to have braces. So it's a tooth with like 2 braces around it, and it's been like fucking headache to deal with. Should only wear for 3 months, but after that, it'll be much better. Anyway, thank you for staying and watching me rant. Peace out.